Okay, this is probably going to be the biggest and most expensive haul we've ever packed. So today we spent $244. When have we ever spent that much?
We spent more than that once.
On what? On my tires? Yes.
Food and stuff.
But this is just,
That's why you get the cash back.
yeah, we gotta be we're a, whatchamacallit member. So we got pee-pee pads. We got salt for the water softener.
We're supposed to get something back soon. I know that.
Yeah, it's gotta be soon. Because remember last time we had to go to them and talk to them. He wants to pull out, so we need to move. I don't have the keys. Pee-pee pads. Siete sour cream and onion chips. Probably one of my favorite things that we bought. And we have the little cookies too. So, oh, we don't even have a cooler with us today.
Yeah, that's all.
I would take the softener out
Yeah.
first, no?
Yeah.
So, in all seriousness, we have 2 bags of softener. Oh, be careful. Hit your head.
Yeah.
2 wiper blades for my car because my car needs wiper blades really badly. So we got that. We got Splenda.
Cookies, yeah. Splenda.
Siete cookies.
Cookies.
I'm excited for those. Breakfast sandwiches. Foil liners for the air fryer. We're going to try them out. Sweet potato fries. Maybe put that on top of it. Or the honey. We got this honey. We heard Flav City Bobby talk about it quite a while ago. And Steven's little... Steven's little salami snacks.
Shrimp and grits. Shrimp and grits. Hold this open. Hold this open. Come on. You're laughing for it. It's not funny. It's not funny, man.
I can't stop laughing. Oh my god. We're out of here, you guys. Thanks for following our channel. I don't know if I'm going to post this video.
No, you're not.
My poor husband. All right. Bye.